much, Srini, for that unstoppable moment. In fact, you shared the secret of success. After this one also stuck in our heart after the PV Narasimha Rao. Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge on the same. So before I proceed with the meeting, I sincerely apologize for not introducing the timer of the day. So today, the timer will be played by Toastmaster Ramalingam, and the roles of the grammarian will be performed by Toastmaster Ashok. Ashok, can you please introduce the word of the day for today?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
The word for day today is unfazed, which means unfazed. U-N-F-A-Z-E-D, unfazed. The synonym is undaunted, not surprised or worried. The best usage is the police officers were completely unfazed by the protesters. I encourage all of you to use this word unfazed during the meeting today. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Ashok. And now, so the next session will be prepared speech session. So before I go on to this session, I want to share a few hack that can be used in our day-to-day life. So most of the men will be having worries that how to measure the level of the LPG gas cylinder. And though there is a device that is available in the market for 1,000 to 2,000 rupees, it can be done easily with help of a water. So I'll just explain you how it can be done. Can you just go ahead? Yeah. So this is the LPG cylinder gas, and it is comprising of propane and butane gas. So this propane and butane is stored in the form of liquid. So that's why we call it as liquefied petroleum gas, and it is maintained at high pressure and low temperature. So that the gas is compressed inside the gas cylinder. Almost 80 to 85% of the entire gas cylinder is filled with propane and butane gas, which is in the form of the liquid. The rest 15%, there will be some air that will be available inside the cylinder. So again, so this is how imagine this is how the gas will be present. And then can you go to the next slide? Yeah, so as I said earlier, we have to pour water on the surface of the cylinder to find out how much how much gas has been used by the consumer. So can you go to the next slide? Yeah. So as I said earlier, this is the LPG gas state and this is the liquid state. So once you pour water on the surface of the cylinder, after few minutes, what happens is, this part, this is the used portion. Assume this is the used portion. So here the air will be present, and this, since we are pouring water on the surface of the cylinder, this water molecule will interact with this air molecule and it gets evaporated to the environment. And the rest of the portion, since the liquid is inside the cylinder and the water is also there in the outside of the cylinder, so this air molecule will be interacting with each other and the temperature will be getting low on the outer surface of the cylinder. So once you pour a water, and if you can feel that after few minutes the used portion will be evaporated, the rest of the portion will be, the remaining portion will be how much level of the gas that is there in the cylinder you can perform. There is another way we can do, that is we have to heat the water in the moderate heat we have to use and pour it on the surface of the cylinder. And you can touch and feel after few minutes. You can do this immediately. Since the air is present, if you pour the hot water, this portion if you touch, it will be hot. But here, if you touch and feel, this portion will be cold because the liquid inside the cylinder will transform that. It's AC operation, what you say. So that will transform the energy outside, and you will feel that coldness outside the surface of the cylinder. And by this experiment, you can find out how much level of the gas is there inside the cylinder. So this is one of the hack jack I want to present it to the entire team.
Sundaram sir will validate it.
Yeah.
Not sure about the hack, but one terminology. So that is LPG vapor. You mentioned it as air. Air cannot be inside cylinder.
Yeah, okay, yeah, LPG vapor. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Sundaraman. As I gave a prior warning to Sundaraman before starting the session that I am talking in front of the experts. Thank you so much. So next session will be prepared speech session. So before calling on the speaker, let me call Toastmaster Jayachitra's evaluator Toastmaster Ganesan to speak out the speech objectives.
Good morning, one and all.
Good morning.
Toastmaster
Jayachitra is attempting a speech from speaking to inform manual from ACB. The demonstration talk. The objectives are prepare a demonstration speech to clearly explain a process, product or activity. Conduct the demonstration as part of a speech delivered without notes. Timer, please note down, the timing is 5 to 7 minutes. All the best, Toastmaster Jayachitra.
So, Toastmaster Jayachitra Ramakrishnan, this is her LinkedIn profile introduction. Client Manager, Global Banking, HSBC, Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Nanganallur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Put your hands together to welcome Toastmaster Jayachitra Ramakrishnan.